And bishop d3. No, let's play. Well, if you go to my YouTube channel, just scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see the thumbnail is Tao with pink headphones. It's just the music, not without me talking, okay? Either d4 or d3 is best. Yeah. I played d4. I will have played d3 anytime just because I'm not familiar with it, just to avoid any complications. Whoever that is, bring them on. I'm here. I'm here. Trying to do it on Thursdays. Okay, guys, this is going exactly as one of the games that I analyzed with you, I think like 2 videos ago. This is the line. Okay, and then here, bring the knight over. Okay, e4, knight c6, knight f3, f5. Yeah, a little bit weird. It's a little bit weirder than, or more weird than what we actually got. Okay. Guys, I'm just accepting challenges as they come in. Oh, yeah. At least we're going to try. Take or do we go on h5? Timman, okay. I don't know. I don't know, but I didn't want to find out. It's just I didn't see anything concrete. Even with this, I don't see anything concrete. And it's interesting. I played in the tournament game this position too. I was playing black, and same thing. I played it differently because I just brought both my knights back to g8 and f8. But yeah, there's nothing here. It's just that since this is blitz, I'm trying to make my opponent think to find the right moves, but he's finding them effortlessly. I think f6, they should have played f6 probably. Yeah, what happened? Time is up. Mm-hmm. What did I do? What did I do? They have the poop. What did I do? All right, so bad, guys, so bad. All right, so let's play. We haven't played English opening in a while. So